Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust audio speed in CapCut. So this is the CapCut, a mobile version. So all you have to do now, open your CapCut and open the project that contains sound. You can tap your project here, and this is the sound that I already add into my project. So you can tap on your audio or sound, and here is the toolbar that you can use to edit the sound. This is the speed, so you can adjust the speed, so you can keep pitch also, and also you can increase the speed here up to 100 times, or you can decrease the speed up to 0.1 times. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.